Hey everybody, I'm Sarah with A Thrifty Mom. So today I'm going to be talking about the Lange Le Gloss Wide Blade Hair Straightener. If you can see, it's about twice as wide as a normal hair straightener. It's currently on sale with Lange with their anniversary sale for half off. And as you guys know, I have not been successful at curling my hair with a straight iron, with a flat iron in the past. You guys have watched videos of me failing and looking ridiculous and just not doing a good job at all. So when they sent me this, I was like, well, this is gonna be an epic fail. And I don't know if I just finally got old enough to, you know, eat bran flakes or something, or I don't know, learn a new tool. But I have successfully done it well with the Le Gloss. So Miss Tara, or Tara Ellis, I'm not sure how you say it. She had sent me a message, said she got it. She's super excited about it, but she's like, I still can't figure it out. And I was like, you know what? I was like, next time I curl my hair with this, I'm going to hop on and I'm going to show you, hopefully, what it looks like. Because I know there's like a million 12-year-olds on the internet. Hey, Joey. That just whip right through their hair and they make us all look and feel like total ding-dongs. Woo, and the sun just came out. You see that? I'm out here in my sunroom and it just decided to pop on out. Okay, so first off, in my hair, I washed and dried my hair today. I made it till day 5. No, sorry, I made it to day 4. And I made the mistake of trying a different dry shampoo than what I normally use. The Lange one, because it was just upstairs. And I remembered why I hate normal dry shampoo, because it made my hair like feel like I had shaving cream in it. And so I didn't make it to day 5. I only made it to day 4 because I had to wash my hair. But I washed and dried my hair, and when my hair was still wet, I put salt and sea spray. I put heat shield, and I put root booster in my hair. And those are the 3 things that help give my hair that is super, super, super fine enough volume to be able to actually hold my curls. The problem is this will give my hair lots of curl, but then it will slide right on out because my hair doesn't have any texture. Unfortunately, I am not giving one away today because this isn't like an actual like Lange sponsored video. It was just Tara had ordered one and she was like, I can't figure out how to use it. I'm like, I'm here for it, girl. I will. But hopefully in the next week or 2 we'll be giving some more stuff away. So they will not be doing a giveaway, but I would still love it if you guys would like, share, comment. Sometimes they pop on randomly and give stuff away. You never know. Okay, so here we go. So this is what it looks like. So I found it's best for me to take a small section of my hair and actually pull it out away from my head, okay? Why this works easier, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm going to pull it away from my head, and then I'm going to put this in and I'm going to rotate it backwards, okay? So I'm just going to put it in, and then I don't know why it's easier if I take 2 hands and then I just rotate it around, okay? Twist, 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 and then ta-da! I have a curl, okay? I don't know why I couldn't figure that out before, but the thing is before I just had this little skinny blade I was trying to do that on, and this is kind of like having a bumper guard when you're bowling, you know, like bubble, what's that called? Like you got the bumpers in, you know, like it just gives you more lane, okay? And it gives you more space to be able to curl your hair. So we're gonna put it in, we're gonna put it on, and then we're just gonna twist. And I'm also kind of holding my hair out like that. And as I hold my hair out straight to the side, what it's doing is if your hair falls down, it kind of like falls out of the flat iron. Sorry, I got a call, so it made my video a little jittery. So there we go. And then you just rotate it around. Did you win it or buy it? Watching your videos. Actually came across your videos. Watching Lange. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Okay, so this video is for Tara. Like I said, she said she bought it. She loves it, but she's like, I'm still struggling. So here we go. Yeah, I froze up. Sorry, I had a call. Okay, so there we go. So we're going to hold it out like this. Straight. We're going to put this in, and then we're going to rotate. And why it's easier to do both hands, see, and this one kind of tipped down a little bit. Just tuck that little bad boy back up in there, okay? And I know someone tried to call me, and I had do not disturb on, so it didn't disrupt the video, but it kind of froze it up for a second. Okay, so, and then we're just going to keep going around. And once again, I'm pulling my hair up, and this is also curling the hair like right off the scalp of my head. Now, this is going to give me curls that look kind of like I'm Shirley Temple, and that's not normally a curl that most almost 40-something women are going for. I get it, okay? But my hair is going to relax a lot, and these are going to turn into more like beachy waves. So I go ahead and I give myself as much volume as I can, knowing that it is going to be relaxing. They do. So they have like an infrared sensor in there that like locks in moisture, which I was kind of like, yeah, whatever. But it does. Like your hair is shinier when you use this. I don't know how it works. And it also has temperature control, which is awesome. Temperature control. So I'm using it at 410. That's just what my hair seems to curl best at. But you can use it all the way up to 450 if you would like. Okay, so once again, just pulling this up away from my scalp. I've tried and it never works. Okay, so Michaela, you need to do small sections, and then I could never get it to work with a skinnier one, but if you can, let me curl this and then I'll show you the difference. So put it in and then you just twist, okay? You're just rolling this in a circle. What, sweetheart? Hi, babies. Oh, she just wrote me a note. Thank you, sweetheart. You want to say hi? Can I get some hearts and loves for my little cutie pie here? Okay, so let me show you the difference on these, okay? So just see the blade width difference? And then another thing too is this has like a smooth edge where a lot of other brands have like a sharp square, and it just doesn't like just glide through your hair. And so this is just so much easier. We lost a picture. Yeah, you're gonna have to lower your quality. For some reason, Facebook, the last week for me, just keeps doing that to my videos. It just gives you a green screen. So put it in, rotate it, and then, Michaela, make sure that your ends are staying right here, okay? That didn't make much sense, but if your ends fall down here, when you twist, the ends are gonna fall down here where there's nothing to heat it up right there. Today, Launch is not giving anything away. I'm sorry, I'm not very exciting. But the cool thing is these are half off right now. And a lot of their stuff has like totally flown out of stock. So hold it out, and then we're just gonna twist, okay? And we're gonna make sure that this hair is gonna stay where it is. And we're not squeezing like so tight that it can't slide through. That's another thing, is you gotta make sure, I'm still hair here. You gotta make sure that you let it glide through. How the end will look. Well, hopefully you like the end product. And if you think, dang, she just looks like a grown-up Nellie Olson, well, then you'll know this is not the look for you. Now, obviously, I have short hair, so this is gonna look different than someone who has like long hair, and like they don't even start their curls till here, and they're gonna get the long beachy look. Yeah, so Miss Tara had bought one of these, and she'd got a couple things, and she says she loved it, but she's like, dang girl, I'm having a hard, she didn't say that, but she said, I'm having a hard time learning how to curl with it. And I said, you know what, I'll just do a live, and I'll try to show you. As you're in my, so hold the hair out straight, put it on, and then you're just gonna twist it backwards, okay? And then you're just gonna keep twisting. Twist, twist, twist. And as you just keep twisting, you get the curls. You keep freezing. How much does this cost? It's normally $200, and it is on sale right now for $100. And it's because it's titanium. It is super wide. It's like twice as wide as a normal one. It also has temperature control. And I think I might have actually, I clicked the button. That last one didn't curl very good. I wonder if I turned my temp down on accident. Yeah, Amber, Facebook has been super glitchy for me. Yeah, I did. Okay, so I just gotta turn that back on. Okay, so there we go. There's that. And then I'm just gonna take this little back section of my hair. And I had major head surgery, and so the back of my head kind of like splits a little bit because I have a big scar back there. So instead of curling this hair right here, like either that direction of my head or this direction of my head, I'm going to go ahead and curl it straight back just to try to give the back of my head just a little bit of volume. So same technique, straight up, and then instead of going to the side, I'm just going to keep rotating right back there. And then that way it's just going to give the back of my head a little bit more volume. Okay, here we go. And then I'm going to take the next section of hair and straight up kind of get it all together so it's not all willy-nilly all over the place. I'm going to put the hair in between the two, and then I'm just going to go twist it straight back and just keep twisting. Okay, there we go. Now I am going to actually take this and I'm just going to slightly back comb this one just a tiny bit to give myself a little bit of volume back there.
Mom, go get the door.
I can't get the door. Mommy's on a live video. Tell your sister to get the door, please. Okay, so now I'm going to split this in half. I'm going to curl the rest of this hair. Brush out my curls and look good enough to go public. Yeah, that's awesome, Amanda. All right, so then I'm going to go to this side of my head, and I am going to, once again, just do what I showed you. I'm just going to take it, and then I'm just going to twirl backwards, and I don't know why. It's just easier if I do it with both hands. Just keep twisting, and there we go. There's my curl. You did it! I did do it. Thank you, Kim. I appreciate your moral support. Thanks for being my cheerleader. All right, here we go. Keep twisting. Twist, twist, twist. There we go. All right, and then once again, I'm just going to take this, twist it backwards, both hands. Why? I don't know. That's just easier for me. Keep twisting, and there we go. Okay, and then I just have this little section of hair right here. Brush them. How do all the girls do that? Yeah, so I don't really run my hands through my hair that much because my hair has a really hard time keeping its curls in. So I wait till all the heat is out of my hair, and I need to put a good dose of hairspray in it. And then honestly, I mean, I'll kind of run my fingers just slightly through it, but definitely never a brush. And then just gravity and time kind of like, you know, makes it look a little looser. And so I get a little bit tighter curl than I want right at the beginning, but then it kind of tames itself down just a little bit. Okay, last one, take it, and then just twist, twist, twist. Okay, there we go. So, whew. Okay, so now I need to put some hairspray in it. And this is the Trio Chic hairspray from Launch. It's a nice big bottle right now. It's 50% off with their anniversary sale. And it's kind of cool. It has these different, you can do either low, medium, or high. And if you need like ultimate hold, like you need it to not move at all, they do have the maximum hold. And sometimes I use this, depending on what the weather's going to be like. But more so, I use this. And I just give myself a good dose, okay? And there we go, okay? So that is what the La Gloss straightener looks like when I use my hair with it, okay? Now, the look that you get is going to be slightly different because everybody can curl their hair different. I could have stopped halfway. I could have gave myself straighter ends. I could have only gave myself volume on the top. Hey, Grace. Okay, so there's all sorts of different things with it, but I hope that that little short tutorial, oh, thank you. It's awesome. It is awesome. I would have never have bought this myself. Launch did send this to me to review, and when they sent it to me, I was a little terrified. I was like, I can't do it. I can't do it. I am not curl my hair with a straightener, but I actually, this has kind of been like my go-to, like lately. I like the different look it gives me. It gives me kind of like a fuller wave. It also kind of leaves it a little bit straighter up here and gives me some volume, and I love it. So, all right, guys. Hey, Jackie. I'm going to let you guys go. Now, if you wanted even more volume, you could do a little bit of teasing or back combing in there. You could also totally spritz some dry shampoo or some other stuff in there. Kitty cat, get down. Keep that in mind. I try to not add too much products to my hair because I am trying to hair train and go 4 or 5 days in between washings, just because, oh, look at that. Yeah, that's nice. And if I get too much product in my hair gets like weird and sticky. So minimal products, but you also need products for my curls to stay. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.